Kids are resourceful and creative, so even taking away the toy guns will probably just result in your kids enhancing creativity. They are designed for recreational sport or casual play by children and moreover will increase target accuracy. Pierce a small hole in the bottle cap, attaching a syringe with bottle cap by using small drill to create a small hole in the cap. At last attach an empty spray bottle which act as a pressure producer, which will work pretty good. Have fun! Turn your home table into beautiful and unique for home decoration project you may have in mind. You can make a decoratable table for your home by needing few items, i.e. wood pieces, adhesives, colors and a grinder for polishing. Take the wood pieces above a table in a proper die and pour adhesives with color. When it dry up, so polish and keep it as a dining table.